Introducing our 5 to 12 yard volumetric mixers, the perfect solution for on-site concrete needs. Our trucks have a capacity of 10 cubic yards and are designed to store, mix, and dispense concrete directly at your job site. With a power type of diesel and a power of 80 kilowatt, our trucks are equipped with core components like a PLC, motor, and pump for efficient operation. Our advantage lies in producing fresh concrete within 5 minutes, ensuring superior quality. Trust our SDCAD brand for reliable performance and a 1-year warranty. Order your truck-mounted mobile concrete mixer today.